Hey everyone, this is Chris from CyberGrapes. Today I'm going to show you how to reset the Google Site Kit plugin. There might be various reasons why you would want to do this. One of them is like if you just changed developer hands and you want to switch who owns SiteKit's attachments in the back end. So with that being said, I'm going to show you how to reset it. It's a very quick process. So what you want to do is you want to log into your site and get into the back of your dashboard. You're going to go to the Site Kit plugin. If you click that there, that'll give you an overview. What you want to do is go to the settings, and under settings, go over to admin settings. What you want to do is scroll down and hit reset site kit. At that, anyone that is then logged into your site can connect SiteKit to their own account. In doing that, as long as you're connecting to the same Google Analytics account, your data will be maintained, which is a good thing. You want all that historical data for sure. So with that being said, reach out to me if you have any questions. I hope this video helps you.